Kali Linux. I can't tell you what's the Kali Linux because you already know about that. That's why you search how to download and install Kali Linux. So hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Hi, I'm Sanket Bhamre, and in this video we discuss about how we download Kali Linux on VirtualBox. For downloading the Kali Linux on virtually, you must be download the VirtualBox. So how to download Oracle VirtualBox, which is also called as VM-box. I already created video on that topic. You also check out this video for how to download VM. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for Kali Linux. Don't worry, you directly open this link. I provide this link in description box. Okay, this is the official website, and you can see here the download button. You simply click on it, download. Now here you choose your platform. We download installer images. You simply click on it, and you can see here we download it for 64-bit. You can see here there is a option which is called as download. You simply click on it. Once you click on it, it starts the downloading automatically. Okay, we successfully download the Kali Linux image, which is also called as the ISO file of Kali Linux. So now we open your virtual machine, and here we simply click on this icon which is called as new, and you can see here there is a window which is called as a create virtual machine. We simply click on it here, expert mode, and you can see here there is a option which is called as name. They're asking for the name. We write here Kali Linux 2023. Now there is a folder, in which folder the Linux are basically download. So set as default, and after that they ask for the ISO image. Here we drag the file which is we recently download, which is called as Kali Linux. And there is a next part which is called as hardware, which is called as a base memory and processor. So it's depend on you. I recommend set as maximum as you can. Now the next section is the hard disk. So set as default, and you simply click on the finish button, and there we go, Kali Linux machine added successfully. Now we simply click on start button and start the machine. Kali Linux installer menu. So we simply select the graphical install and click on it. Okay, now we select the English language and simply click on continue. Now here select your location. So here we select India. Click on continue. Now you can see here there is configured the keyboard. So there is a various type of languages are available. In this section we select the English which is called as American English and click on continue. Now here please enter the host name for this system. So set as default Kali, and you simply click on continue button. Here we write the domain name. So set as blank, click on continue. Now they are asked for the username. In this box you are set the username. I will select the Black Devil. First of all, ignore my username. Continue. Okay, they asking for the only lowercase letters. So Black Devil, okay. Simply click on continue. Now here we set the password for our system. Now in this box, fill your password and simply click on continue. Here we set as default and click on continue. Same, click on continue. Here, okay, so set as default and continue. And here also continue. Okay, here you select the option S and click on continue. So this is the software selection. So set as default and you simply click on continue button. Now they install the selected software. And here we select second option and click on continue. Here we go, we are successfully downloaded the Linux. Just enter your username and password and simply click on login button. That's it, this is your Kali Linux. And in this way we are successfully downloaded the Kali Linux. So that is for today. Till then, stay safe, keep learning, and thanks for watching.